a government, semi-government, municipality, we have taken a resolution to stop the pollution. And the trucks, what are the transportation is there by the road, which are the coal pollution, coal transportation is there. We have taken a resolution. So many times I had spoken to chairperson. So many times we had told to Mr. Kalush Almeida, who is the MLA of our Vasco, and we are the voice of our people. We are the people which our people are not satisfied with this pollution thing. So many years that passed, like the pollution is the same thing is there. Now we had come across. Now as a chairman of Kamli of GSW, we had spoken. They had sponsored us small fresh bathroom and toilet in our Islampura was needed in that.
बोलने का हम लोग JSW पोर्ट में ही अकेले में नहीं हैं, हम पोर्ट के साथ स्टील में हैं, एनर्जी में हैं और बाद में सीमेंट में भी है। एक्चुअली हमारा मालिक जो है सजन जिंदल जी, वो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए बहुत मान्यता रखता है। एंड हमारा अपना जो भी आप लोग हमारा पोर्ट को भी विजिट कर सकते हैं।